A caper cart is essentially a smart cart. So customers will be able to grab one of these carts at our Lindenwood and Twin Oaks stores, and soon to be Cottleville. When they grab the cart, all they have to do is log into their Schnucks Rewards account, and they shop like they normally would. There are cameras that are set up within the cart, and the cameras pick up the barcode of an item. And when you put that item in the cart, it adds it to your list of what you have purchased. After you finish shopping, you proceed with payment right on the cart.
The term caper actually means to skip freely. There's a definition of the word caper, to skip freely, and for us, the big thing for us was like building a technology that allows you to like skip freely through the store. 3 co-founders and I started Caper about 8 years back. What we did was we just went around and we talked to literally over 150 grocery store owners and managers and really tried to understand what were their pain points, talk to their customers and figure out what their pain points were, and we built a technology around it.
So we're always looking for new ways to innovate, and we're looking at ways to make our customers' experience a little bit better and also our teammates' experience. We're going to gather that feedback from our teammates and from our customers to see if this is something we want to move forward with.
Schnucks is the best and most impressive innovation player in grocery. And I really mean it. The fact that you wanted to partner with us was awesome in that it shows that the caper technology is something that provides delightful, easy customer experience, and then the broader market will look at Schnucks and hopefully our deployment here as the start of something great.